What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be taking a look at some Galaxy S9 Plus cases. As you guys know, in my last video I got the brand new Galaxy S9 Plus in blue. Great phone, great looking phone, and we want to keep it like this, so we're going to need some protection so this phone does not fall and crack. Alright guys, so this is the case lineup I was able to pick up. Now all these cases, if you guys don't want to purchase online, maybe you're old fashioned, you can find all these cases at your local Sprint store. My carrier is Sprint, and yep, they pretty much have all these cases here, and also they also have some other ones, but these were the ones I was able to muster up online from Amazon. But if you guys want to go ahead, check out your Sprint store, prices are good, pick them up from your local Sprint store. Alright guys, so let's take a look at, let's start off where to start from. So let's start off with the one fashionable case I was able to pick up. Now, I'm not gonna grab this one for myself. This is just for, I guess, the ladies out there, or maybe the guys who kind of like these kind of cases. This is by Spade. This is their the wrap case Kokwe. Well, the name is right there, guys. I don't want to pronounce it. I'm just gonna sound stupid. Alright, so this is the really nice Spade. Really nice snap-on case, nice finish. You got the gold trims with this peach and gray color. I personally think it's a really nice color, and in the bottom of it, or inside the case, it's all nice and suede. Now this is a snap-on case, so it's not gonna really protect your phone as much. It's just more for a look, and as you guys can see, that looks really good on the blue S8 Plus. That blue shines through at the back there, giving it a little bit of contrast with the gold right there, which looks really nice. You got the Spade branding at the bottom. Really nice case. It doesn't add a lot of bulk, feels really good in the hand. I like it. It's pretty cool. Alright, so let's pop this bad boy off. We're gonna move on to the second case. Alright, now also with that Spade, even though it's not as protective, if you guys pick up a screen protector, then you're pretty much going to be set, and that applies with any of these cases. For the added protection, screen protectors definitely must. Alright, so let's take a look at my favorite case right here. This is the Scooch case. Really nice. I featured this in a video back. I'll also link it in the description. Ever since I saw it at the Sprint store, it's been a phenomenal case. Now it does come in black. I actually have the clear one personally. This was the one I featured on my last video. Actually no, this is one I got from my Galaxy S8, and I got it once again for the S9 Plus. So since I have mine and the sample one right here, we're gonna try them out both. So let's try on the clear one first. Now, if you want to keep the purple look, the blue look, or even the black look of your new S9 Plus, the clear case is definitely gonna be the one to grab. Oh, I got a little plastic here. It does raise above the glass a little bit. There you go, guys. So you are going to get some protection on your screen if you're not rocking a screen protector. Buttons are really clicky and responsive, and you have the extra bumps on the corner in case your case falls like that. Your edges are going to be well kept. But what makes this case really cool is the wingman piece right here, little snap-on piece. You click that bad boy, your phone becomes the case becomes a kickstand. So if you guys watch a lot of media on your phone, really great case to have. And it also works as a grip as well. If you guys drop your phone a lot, this helps grip a little bit. And for some cars, if your vent is set up in a way to work with this case, it can actually be worked as a vent mount in your car. So pretty cool case. That's the clear one right there. Let's take a quick look at the black one. Now, if you're not into clear cases, the black one with the nice chrome finish looks really nice as well, and I got the blue one. The blue one works really nice with the black as well. Really nice case, really nice case. Just note, if you guys use your wireless charging feature a lot on this phone, this is the case you do not want to get, because the wingman is made with metal, and as you guys know, the metal is not going to go through the the wireless charging will not pass through that aluminum piece right here. So great case, but you are going to be limited to just wire charging, no wireless charging there. Stepping on to the third case in the lineup, actually we're going to check out the two OtterBoxes. So these are the the Symmetry versions. They do have the Defender version. I wasn't able to grab the Defender version to show you guys, but OtterBox is a pretty big name in the case game. I'm pretty sure you guys know what the Defender is. So let's take a look at the Symmetry, the ones that we do have. Alright, so just like the Scooch, we got a black one and we got a clear one. For the ladies out there, OtterBox do make it clear with some sparkles on it, some gold dust in case you guys want to add a little bit of zazz to your phone case. But let's check it out really quick. We're going to check out the black one first. Kind of just like the Scooch case minus the wingman, and in these case we'll be able to go through your wireless charging as well. Have the raised edge right there. It's a really thick case all the way around, so no matter which ends the case drop, you're going to have the same protection around. Whereas on the Scooch case, it's really buffed up on the corners. So a pretty cool, simple case, not too bulky, but it does protect your phone really, really well in my opinion. And OtterBox has a really good warranty as well, in case your case gets discolored if you grab the clear one, or if you guys just want to grab a new one from it being old. Clear case is really nice as well. The blue really shines through this case, and it's the same thickness as the black one. Buttons are really nice and clicky still. So don't worry, your buttons will still feel really nice if you decide to get the OtterBox Symmetry case. Now, the only difference with the Defender case is a two-piece case, which you have a hard plastic piece which the phone goes into, and then you have a rubber that goes around that hard shell to help with impact. Now, traditionally, OtterBoxes came with a screen protector already built on the case. However, if you pick up the new Defender, you will not have that built-on screen protector. So you want to go ahead and still purchase a screen protector. So that's the Symmetry, and I just give you guys a little example of what the Defender is. So moving on, we have Under Armour right here. Under Armour started to make cases not too long ago, and they're not too bad. I actually have the Under Armour smaller one for the S8, even though I don't have the S8 anymore. I have that case, and this is the bigger one for the S9 Plus. Really nice case. Now this one is going to be more for grip, so if you lotion your hands a lot, maybe you're in the cold or even in the hot weather, you lotion your hands a lot, the phone is all glass and aluminum, it will definitely slide out your hands at some point in time. So this Under Armour case is going to help with that. It has these nice ridges right here, which helps the phone stays and grips nicely in your hands. It's a little bit thinner than the OtterBox, but you still get a little bit of raised edges. So if your phone does drop like that, it's going to more likely hit the case than the screen protector, than the screen, sorry. But if you guys drop it, I mean, try your best not to drop it. Really nice case. The box does imply that it is a 3-layer protection, and it's an 8 feet drop test. So you're getting a pretty good case. Not that bad. Oh, and Under Armour also has another feature with their cases. All their cases have this little ridge right here. Oh, button is also really clicky as well, guys. So these ridge right here works with their clamps. So you have bicycle mounts, car mounts, any kind of mounts. So if you're gonna grab an Under Armour, you wanna grab the UA Connect mounts, which works really, really well with this case. So if you're into mounts, maybe you're an extreme kind of person, you know, you go out a lot, you bike a lot, you do Uber a lot, you do cab, these mounts will work most definitely for your Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Also want to note, all these cases are also available for the S9, with the exception of this Kate Spade one right here. I've only seen that particular design for the S9 Plus. They do have another design for the excuse me, for the S9. So just note, if you want this one, you want to go ahead and pick up the S9 Plus. Moving on to UAG right here, which is one of my favorite cases. Even though I don't use it, but if I had to choose besides the clear case, the UAG would probably be my choice of case. So we got two colors right here. Let's check them out really quickly. We got the clear one right here, and we have the smoky clear one, which is kind of like the clear case with like a hint of black on it. So let's take a look at it. Bam, fits really nice. This is also much thinner, well, not much thinner, it's a little bit thinner than the OtterBox, a little bit thinner than the Under Armour as well. Really nice case. Just the look is really rugged. So if you're, once again, you're an outdoorsy kind of person, this case will kind of work with the theme of being outdoor, because it's all ruggedized with the little screw holes right here, and it just looks rugged, guys. UAG stamping right there. Nice case, feels really nice in the hand. Button, once again, are still very, very clicky. And as you guys can see, the raised over the screen is a little bit there as well. So if you do drop your phone, you're good. Now, just like this Scooch case was, it is reinforced on the corners. As most of the times when you drop your phone, they tend to go, you know, like to a corner of some sort. So really nice case. Definitely one of my favorite cases. Let's check out the tinted black one really quickly. There we go, guys. There's the tinted black one. The tinted black one to me looks really nice in my opinion compared to this one. It just works, or I prefer the black one over the clear one just in this particular case. But yes, guys, that is the UAG case. Really nice case. Really nice case, guys. Now let's dip into, now we're gonna take a look at the, let's just get this out of the way really quickly. We're gonna take a look at the what do you call it? Our next case in the lineup is going to be probably another one of my favorite cases as well. This is going to be the Samson case by Samson themselves. Now, I was in regret because Samson made a rugged protection cover last year, but they only made it for their Galaxy Note. They did not make it for the S lines, so I was kind of disappointed. But this year around, they went ahead and made it for the Galaxy S9 Plus, and I'm pretty sure that they're gonna have one for the regular S9. So this is their rugged protective cover with kickstand. It is drop tested with military standards, and of course is made by Samson. So if you're a Samson freak and you want to stick everything Samson, then this might be the case for you. Really nice case. Really nice case. Now this is another favorite case of mine only because it's not that bulky. Let's take a look at the edges once again, guys. Now this is gonna have one of the more thinner edges of the phone, so just be careful. You don't want to drop this one compared to the other ones. You will get some kind of protection, but the raised above the screen is not as big as it was on the other cases, as you guys saw. But the main selling point of this case is going to be that beautiful design right here with these little line dimples. I just kind of find that very cool. And of course, the Samson kickstand. Samson kickstand is really nice. There we go. You're gonna get a horizontal kickstand if you guys watch media, as well as a vertical. So really nice right there, and it just flicks back in. It doesn't add any extra bulk to the back of the phone. Case feels really nice. Buttons still feel really clicky. Really a great case to consider if you guys want to get a nice thin case, nice professional looking case as well too. So if you guys go to a lot of meetings, then I think this might want to be, this is probably gonna be the case you want to pick up out of this bunch right here. Now moving on to the last case in this lineup is the Spec Poseidon clear case. Now this one is an 8 feet drop tested, exceeds I don't know what that means, but it exceeds that. You got 2-layer protection. Pretty cool case. So once again, it is a clear case, guys. Now like I said before, I'm a clear case kind of guy. All my plastic ends are coming off trying these cases. Let's just go ahead and peel these off right now. Alright, now Spec is a pretty good name in the case game as well. So you guys should already know the quality of Spec cases. They're really well made with good material compared to these cheap cases. So this is another, it's a little bit thicker than the rugged case by Samson, but it's a little bit thinner than the OtterBoxes. And this is really grippy, guys. It's grippy in the hand. It's also going to be grippy on certain surfaces. Not on this one right now, but it is a rubber. Now this one is probably one of the clearest ones out of the 3 clear cases that we have. This is going to be the clearest one of the 3 that we have right here. Buttons. Now the buttons on this is probably, it's still clicky, but compared to all the other cases, this is the less clickiest. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's still pretty clicky. Feels really nice in the hand, nice and clear. And oh, notice all the fingerprints on all the case weren't badly interrupted, or there wasn't like a big dent, you know, with the case being there. the fingerprint scanner was still really easy to reach, guys. This case is a really great case as well. I also had this for the S8 when I had the S8. It was a really nice spec case. I really like this case too, guys. This case is really nice, really good all the way around. Cutouts are really nice on all the cases. And that's the spec case, guys, and it's, as it says on the box, designed for Samson. And that's gonna be the case and lineup, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this lineup. I hope this lineup helped you guys decide on what case you guys want to pick up for your S9 or your S9 Plus. Now I'm gonna try to find some links for these cases in the description below in case you guys want to shop in line. But if you live in the area where a Sprint store is really close by to you, like I said, these cases are right there in case you guys want to go sample them, try them out, and maybe just pick it up at Sprint. Really great cases, guys. Once again, I hope this helps you guys out really well. Like the video if you guys enjoyed it, share it if this might help someone else, and as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.